Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us back here at Fandom's channel. We're, of course, sitting here once again with David. We have some real exciting news to jump into with you guys. But first off, David, how are you doing? How is your week starting so far?
Yeah, doing very well. Thank you, Michael. I'm doing very good. Just keeping lots of people updated on our recent news and happy to see you again. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well myself. Thank you for asking. Yeah. Your recent news is real exciting this week. So, you guys teamed up with Polygon to allow fans real-time NFT creation. So, first and foremost, can you just once again mention what an NFT is and who Polygon is?
Sure, absolutely. So an NFT is a non-fungible token. So the difference between a cryptocurrency and an NFT is that cryptocurrencies have a tradable value, and whatever is minted as a cryptocurrency acts as itself as a currency.
Mhm.
A non-fungible token means that it is non-fungible. So what it really means in terms of how everyday people interact with them outside of the crypto sphere, it's an NFT is basically a digital asset. So think of it as a digital trading card. So I used to collect baseball cards when I was a kid. Today that would be the predominant way that that is represented in the market, just through an NFT. And that allows me to store these types of collectibles in a wallet, an online type of wallet, and then trade those and have secure ownership of them. And you're able to track the ownership of that as that security changes, as that securitized item changes hands through the form of this NFT. So it's, the evolution of collectibles.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. So from there, tell us what you're doing with Polygon now. Then tell us what this will consist of.
So basically, we saw that the NFT trend emerging, starting last year, the volumes have just been increasing 10 times month over month. It's just fantastic. So the adoption is there. Obviously, newer generations are very comfortable living and working in the metaverse with digital assets and so forth. So we thought, how do we spread the collectability of these digital moments, throughout the ecosystem that we're building? So, we first minted our own NFT, which is, the building blocks of the NFT ecosystem are built on top of Ethereum, which is the second or top blockchain protocol in the world. The challenge that we had with the Ethereum protocol was that the first NFT we minted was, it took about 3 weeks to mint, and it cost us almost $300 US.
Wow.
So, that's very cool if, you're selling some of these multi-million-dollar NFTs and, you want to do one-offs. And what we're trying to do at Fandom is facilitate the creation of NFTs in real time.
Yeah.
So as I'm watching, my favorite esport or streamed content or sporting event, you hit the record button within our platform, that'll create an NFT. If more than one person will hit it, it'll then go to an auction on fandomart.com, which is our NFT marketplace. So as you can imagine, when we looked at it and said, well, look, it took us a couple of weeks and, hundreds of dollars to mint one NFT.
Yeah.
So how is this going to spread throughout the ecosystem? So, our team started looking at it really at a, code level. Mm-hmm. And, we came across Polygon and, they have a fantastic team there. It's one of the top 20 protocols in the world, $14 billion market cap and a huge adoption, well over 1 million wallets, hundreds of millions of transactions processed already. And, as we dug a little bit deeper, we saw that Polygon, can facilitate minting on the fly. The cost to mint an NFT on the Polygon protocols, it's pennies compared to, the hundreds of dollars that we were spending. So it answered two problems for us: speed and cost. If things are fast enough and cheap enough, then we can mint millions of NFTs, which is ultimately our goal.
Wonderful. Yeah, I think the word of the day for this is scalability. You need something that you can use with lots of transactions really fast without paying a bunch of money. And again, like waiting 3 weeks is just, people don't want that, right? They really want that here now. And I think Polygon is a great fit for you guys versus Ethereum.
Yeah, no, I agree. That's a very great point. We see a lot in the news, of NFT selling for, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars. So if you're spending $200 to mint one of those really high profile, limited edition pieces, then, it just, the cost justifies that. What we're trying to do is, you touched upon it right on the head, is the scalability. How do we have hundreds of thousands of people create millions of NFTs per month and the Polygon protocol will allow us to do that. So we're very excited to start working with that technology. And, we're also going to be working on some co-marketing initiatives, try to, propagate our technology within the Polygon ecosystem as well.
Wonderful, David. Well, listen, thank you for coming on, and thank you for giving the update, and thank you everybody for watching. If you guys have any questions with any of it, please let us know and we'll happily dive in. But for now, David, any closing words before we go?
No, again, always lots more new cool stuff coming, and yeah, just excited to keep everyone posted. So thank you for tuning in.
Awesome. Everyone have a wonderful day.